It's Wednesday, the 20th of April. I've just recorded some videos on the commodities, gold, silver, crude, and some of the Forex markets, mostly the dollar pairs. Hope you can have a look at those, and I hope they help you with some trade ideas, although mostly markets are just trading sideways, of course, after the long weekend. Volume's probably still a bit thin, waiting for the next piece of news really to give us some sort of direction. Now, stock markets, not particularly exciting this week either. We started Monday with a dip, and that worked out with my expectations. I thought stock markets would go lower. Monday we did see some weakness in those markets that were open. The US stock markets were open. But we've seen a good recovery yesterday, which to me is quite unexpected. I had some short positions. I've decided to get out of them. I don't see any particular bullish signs, but what I am feeling is that we'll probably trade sideways, and I don't really want to be running a short position when we're just moving sideways, stressing me out for no reason. I'm going to wait for the next signal. Now, the Nasdaq has seen a good recovery, a decent recovery. It doesn't exactly look strong, does it? We are clearly in a bear trend still. But even with some big negative news from Netflix last night, I think their results were out. They said that they lost 200,000 subscribers. Stock dropped something like 20-25%. Stocks already dropped significantly. And even with that, the Nasdaq has held up. Okay, we're not gaining any ground particularly. We certainly haven't beaten, I think this must be Friday's candle, the 14th of April. Yes, it is. We haven't even got near Friday's high. So I'm not saying that this market looks strong. I just have a hunch that we're going to start trading sideways, and I'm just going to have to wait now for some fresh signals. It doesn't seem worth running a short position. Who knows, we could even burst up, although I'm not seeing any signs of that at the moment. S&P is already establishing something of a sideways trend. Again, I thought Monday's breakdown, we broke below the previous low for the 3 days. I thought, great, that's what I'm expecting. Market's going to tumble. But yesterday, good recovery up to my first resistance level, which was around the 44.30, 44.40 area. And we're starting to push above that now. So again, I've taken my shorts off. I don't think it's worth running a short position. I think we'll probably continue sideways in this sort of 1 day up, 1 day down trend. And I just don't think that there's going to be any swing trade opportunities, certainly into the end of the week. I'm going to wait for a new signal. Good market for scalpers. If you're looking to maybe risk 10 points to try and make 20 points, that might work. But for me, looking for something that I can run for a bit longer and make a bit more of a profit, I don't see any opportunity in that at the moment. US 30 has actually seen quite a better recovery. It's been a little bit stronger than the other two anyway. Big green candle yesterday, and that's trying to push higher, running into resistance right now, I think. But just, this isn't really giving me any idea of what's going to happen next. This jumbled mess. And it's not really surprising it's a jumbled mess because, of course, as I said, over the Easter holidays, then volumes do die. Germany 40, let's have a look at a couple of markets in Europe. So that's crawling higher, not much of a recovery, but I'm surprised that the DAX or the Germany 40 isn't quite a bit lower. And the fact that it isn't in what I'm seeing in is increasingly negative news, inflation expectations going up, bond yields still rising, mortgage rates in the US still rising. The fact that stock markets are holding steady makes me believe that holding a short position right now isn't the correct thing to do. UK Ftse, the UK 100, the Ftse. We've still got what I believe is quite a powerful double top pattern here. But again, we're just not seeing the move to the downside that I would have expected after this bearish engulfing candle, the potential double top, the follow through the next day. But now we're starting to crawl up a bit. So it's confusing, and I'm just going to leave it until the volumes reappear and we start getting some decent signals and something more that I can rely on. My message really is, I trade every day and I do see opportunities every day, but sometimes you just have to sit on your hands for a day or two and wait for the next signal. A lot of the skill in trading is about waiting for the right opportunity and not having a position on sometimes. Okay, good luck. If you are trading today, we'll chat again tomorrow. Thanks for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do so you get notification every day when I release a video. Obviously, these are very time sensitive. You want to have up-to-date market news. You don't want to be watching something several hours after I have posted it on YouTube. Please also help me out. Please like and please share as well as subscribe. Really does help me try and build up the numbers on YouTube. And also, if you're interested in what I do and if you're interested in maybe receiving some daily analysis first thing in the morning, my trade signals, my trade ideas, my analysis, my technical analysis is posted as early as 4 a.m. GMT time. So you really can get ahead of the market, ahead of the European Open, if you're interested in receiving my signals. Daytradeideas.co.uk. Any comments, please put them in the comments box always keen to help and hear what you have to say.